What's going on, guys? Today we have the Adidas Ozweegos, and the official colorway to this one is the Off-White Bliss Cloud White. Now the reason I went for this one is because it reminds me of the Yeezy 500s, and I really want to like it, but there's a few issues with these. Number one being this weird little tubing that goes around the lacing system to the back and then to the front again. And I don't know what that is. Is it like glow in the dark stick, like a glow stick? I'm sure what that is. And the second problem is the quality. I don't know if it's just me, but if you just listen closely to this, it just feels a little bit cheap to me. Is it just me? I don't know. I mean, it just feels so cheap. It feels paper thin, and yeah, just not sure I like it. Anyway, let's carry on with on feet. My third problem with the Ozweegos is the sizing. I bought this in my usual 7.5, UK 7.5, which is the same size I buy all my Nikes and Jordans and whatnot. But on these ones, it just feels so big. Like I have so much room inside the sneakers. I'm sure you can tell on the video as well. There's just loads of room left. Now on to the crease test. Now crease wise, I think you guys will be just fine. I don't see them creasing easily. I think these materials will hold up just fine. I mean, I've seen a crease here, but obviously that's because I do an extreme crease test, and I'm sure you guys will not be walking around like this. And yeah, I mean, I think they'll just hold up just fine. So you should be pretty safe with these ones. If you're worried about creasing, of course. So yeah, guys, that's it. That's it for today. Let me know your thoughts about these sneakers, and I will see you guys on the next one.